My name is Brad Barnhart, and I'm an engineer here at Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about wire arc 3D metal printing, or additive manufacturing, and what we do here in our company. Lincoln Electric has 125 years of welding experience. And what we do today for additive manufacturing is not much different than traditional joining using welding. We create or fabricate components layer by layer in many different orientations until the customer's final piece is created. So here at Additive Solutions, we are a service provider. We print parts out of a variety of materials, including nickels, mild steels, high-strength steels, stainless steels, and we print for a variety of industries, whether that's aerospace tooling, energy sector, whether it's oil and gas or power generation, or shipbuilding. Lincoln Electric started Additive Solutions in 2019 as a business unit, and we've leveraged all of Lincoln Electric's technology, whether it be wire manufacturing, power source manufacturing, or hard automation, to make this business what it is today. Whether a customer is looking for an as-printed component or a fully machined component, some of the advantages of using this additive manufacturing process include reduced lead times, reduced material waste, or in some cases, improved performance. Customers that come to Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions for their parts not only receive the 125 years of welding knowledge behind what we do, but also the largest production capacity for wire-based 3D metal printing, in addition to a total vertical integration of the technology. We have the software in-house, along with the wire manufacturing, the automation, and all of that together makes our business extremely flexible to meet customer needs and requirements. For those of you interested in more information on Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions or our capabilities, you can go ahead and visit lincolnelectric.com.